The morning. Good day, ma'am. I am Robert Balya, Section 43, and today I will recite the rights of the person during custodial investigation. 1. Right to counsel. The person has the right to competent and independent counsel of their choice. Second, right to inform of their rights. They must be informed of their rights in a language or dialect they understand at the time of the arrest, after questioning, before questioning. And third, right to remain silent. They cannot be compelled to testify against themselves. Fourth is right against torture, force, or violence. Any use of threats, coercion, intimidation, coercion, or violence is illegal and inadmissible in court. Fifth, right right to confidential communication with counsel. The communication between the person and their lawyers must be private and confidential. And 6, rights to visit or confer privately. Any members of their immediate family, medical doctors, priests, or minister chosen by them or their family, NGO representative accredited duly accredited by law. And 7, right to notify family or relatives. Excuse me. Right to notify family or relatives. The person has the right to have a family, relatives, friends, or friends family, relatives, or friends to notify of their situation immediately after arrest or detention. And last rights is right to free assistance. The indigent person under custodial investigation must be provided free and competent legal assistance from the government, which is PAO, Public Attorney's Office. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.